guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. And it's currently 6 a.m. and sorry for my rusty voice. That's how I sound in the morning. Anyway, so I have a day out with my friends. We're going to the beach and we're going to, chill at the beach, play games, barbecue, things like that. So I thought I'll take you guys along with me, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video.
I'm Malaysian and I don't even know what you're talking about. Oh, the sunrays are so pretty. Look at this, so pretty.
Hi guys, so we just reached the beach and it's beautiful, it's not hot, and the view is amazing and there aren't many people. We're just starting the fire so we can start our barbecue. I just saw kids saying hi, and yeah, it looks so nice. Loving it.
Reeve, say hi, Reeve. Hi, Grab driver, you're back again.
You could have just gone right there and got the ball, right? No, there was no ball there. God, inside the shop.
Pretty.
So प्रीति, आपको बीच पे आके कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत खुशी पर थोड़ा दुख because I can't dip my whole body in it.
But honestly, this is so beautiful, right?
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I shoved it in.
She actually said I shoved it. She said I shoved it in.
But it came out.
I'm eating. It came out.
Yeah, see, my shoving skills.
That's why.
Hey, actually put the towel on the leg.
No, these two only can look. At least lake na.
Him the most, please.
Guys, I just came in the water and it's low tide right now, but it's so nice.